Hello everyone, my name is Sankalpa Indish and I am from MMIT Lohegao from third year computer department academic year 2024-2025. We are with the subject LP2CC. We are with the first practical, that is a case study. So I have done the case study on Amazon EC2 and its services. So this is a Word document that I have prepared. So after performing this case study, I have understood that EC2, in short, I will tell you how it works. So if there is a physical server that is present, out of that physical server, what we are going to have are multiple virtual servers which will be created on demand. So that is how it is named as elastic, and that contributes towards the computing. So that is why it's called elastic cloud compute or elastic compute cloud. The virtual servers that will be created are called as instances. So these will be server instances. So these are the services that are provided. So instances, virtual machines, machine images, load balancing. So once the servers are created, of course there will be a lot of load on the servers. So those are balanced with high availability and fault tolerance. Very important. Auto scaling, vertical and horizontal scaling both happen over here. So if directly we require a new server, we use that. Otherwise, we try and adjust the memory in the current server. Elastic block store. Block is a type of storage, that is storage method that is used in EC2. In your virtual private cloud, it is very nice facility provided. So it logically isolates the network so that we can work in our own environment. This is usually recommended for the ones who have begun their journey in the AWS virtual private cloud. EC2 spot instances. So if EC2 capacity at lower rates is present, so we can bid for it. It's a cost saving option. These are reserved instances. For example, if someone is executing an application and they are my customer, and I know that daily they are not going to surpass a limit of 50 users, that's a known thing. Then for this, we use the reserved instances because having dynamic instances creates a computational overhead. That is why this is present. Then systems manager is another one. So overall manager we can say. So practical application and use cases. So it's used for startup environments, hosting websites, as you can read, big data and data analytics, of course, as we are going to have a lot of processing being done. Big data and data analytics will come into picture, for which we'll be using combined services of AWS Glue, EMR, and such. Disaster recovery solutions, yes. Once the data is present, it gets reduplicated multiple times, which is a method of disaster recovery. So redundancy is present, which is a positive case in this. So now the thing is, as EC2 is very fast for multiplayer games, EC2 is prominently used. This makes it to where the speed is faster. Now benefits are it's scalable, flexible, cost efficient, global reach is present. Also, it is very much secure. So IAM, identity and access management. Once when we're creating our AWS account, the IAM user needs to be created along with the unique key of access. So yeah, these are the security features. The challenges and consideration are cost management. Unexpected costs might be there while we're trying to set up. The setup can be initially complex. Performance tuning is because once an industry starts using AWS, the requirements can change drastically overnight and over hours. That's why. And data security, of course, robust security features are present, but the access policies and everything, they are not quite understandable to regular users. So this is the EC2 services diagram. The operating systems that are supported, we have Amazon Linux, AMI, that's it's an image, machine image, Red Hat Linux, SUSE Linux, Ubuntu, Windows, and many more. So the EC2 instance in the virtual cloud looks like this. Its data is there, security is there, virtual cloud is there. Then in this region, availability zone. So in this region, it's accessible. So this is how it accesses through private key. Instances are accessed through this key. So yes, it's a powerful and flexible solution. It was fun learning and doing this case study of Amazon EC2. Thank you.